Hit it while it's hot, the Dude Mungus 3000.
The market.
Ooh, it's hot. Dude and Dudette, say what up. It's your boy Dude Mungus. Hey, man, today we're going to be, dadgummit. You think I would be prepared for this after a little over a year now. But anyway, today we're gonna be preparing, today we're gonna be installing this adjustable kickstand. And the reason we're doing that is because we lowered the shot. I don't know if you can see, but we got about 1.5 inches up front and about 1.5 inches in the rear. And I believe I've showed already. If not, I'll insert some pictures of Deadshot. Currently with it lowered, without it being strapped, it's pretty much sitting straight up. So we need to adjust this kickstand, and it's looking like it's real simple. Looking like it's just gonna be a bolt and it'll come out. But let's hope it's that simple as just doing the bolt, which is behind this fairing. So I'm gonna remove this fairing because I'm preparing to do an oil change anyway, because I'm heading out of town, and I just wanna make sure it's good. So it looks like it's a bolt and a spring, and literally that's it. So let's rock it out. Broke my tripod, so the GoPro is literally sitting on a box right now. This is a real simple job, guys. Super duper simple. All right, let's see what we're working with here. Looks like it's just gonna be this bolt right here, honestly. Whatever this is a size, it's a 6. It's a number 6. Never changed out a kickstand before, so we'll be learning this together. So, main bolt comes out. It's a bolt on the back of this spring. And I know the light isn't gonna show what that bolt is, but what I will do is I will, when I get it off, I'll show y'all once I get it off. And that bolt is a number 4. Let's see. Took the screen, I don't know if it's showing. I know it's dark, but there's a bolt right there. Loosen this bolt out. And that's how the spring is gonna loosen up. All right, and that's it. So it seats in. I know this is, like I said, I know it's really hard to see. So it seats in this way, and this goes on the bottom of this, and that's what it pivots on, like that. Yep. This is it right here. This is on the other side. This is what this bolt screws into. Bam, that's it, it comes off. The new one feels a little bit heavier than the stock one. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this mounted up. Oh, and it's a washer right there too. So what I'm pretty much gonna do, and I'm hoping this is showing, this is the stock length. I'm gonna match the aftermarket one up to the stock length, and then I'm gonna drop it. So extend it as far as it can go. That is it's pretty much the stock height, if that's showing on camera. That's pretty much the stock height extended. So I'm gonna drop it down, because I want to make sure, the bike don't fall over. So I'm gonna just take it to its lowest setting for now and see where it goes. And the good thing about this, it's super easy to adjust now. Moving forward, if I need to make it taller or smaller, stupid easy to adjust it. And also, man, shout out to my parts guy, Damion, man. Always points me in the right direction. Even if he can't get a part, he always points me in the right direction of the way to go. And get me some lube. Always want to make sure I re-lube up everything. Just like to use a little grease. Make sure everything is gonna move like it's supposed to. Rotate like it's supposed to. This part is gonna get so grimy. I'm not making sure it's perfect, but I'm just making sure it got some lube on it, And it can slide in and do what it's supposed to do. Fairly easy. I'm gonna wipe it off, but I ain't going ham with cleaning it up. I'm just gonna wipe it off. Get knock some of the heavy grime off of it, and then I'm just go ahead and check these bolts right here, because these have loosened up on me before, but I Loctited them in, and yeah, they're good to go. That was a funny story, man. Pulled up to the gas station over there pimping, thinking I'm doing something, and daggum, the kickstand right here, these 2 bolts, you see, these 2 bolts, the kickstand was loose from these two bolts. These two bolts backed out. Holy crap, that was fun. I can tell you that was fun trying to keep the bike from falling. Like I get off the bike and I'm getting off, you know, like putting the pressure on the kickstand, and it's just falling and keep falling. I'm like, oh no, and trying to hold it. Oh man, that was fun. Definitely fun. It's just as simple as lining stuff up now. I'm not locking nothing down. I'm just starting a thread so nothing falls out. Spring looks good. All I need to do now is just lock this bad boy in. This little clip washer on the back. Just gonna plug that back in place. Should be good to go. And it's working. And that's a kickstand. Now let's test it out and see how it sits. So that is definitely sitting lower than what it was, but I think I'm gonna go lower. See, now it has a lean a little bit before it was sitting straight up. So I think we're gonna go to its lowest setting. Which I think the lowest setting, it goes from stock to 3 inches lower. So we're going for the 3 inches lower. All right, let's try that out. Yeah, it's much better. Much better. That's gonna make me feel more confident to leave the bike somewhere. Let me straighten the wheel up. Yeah, that's gonna make me feel more confident to leave the bike somewhere. It is now leaning, which is good. Let me sit on it and see how confident that is. Sit it down. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That will work. All right. Well, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna get this bike jacked back up, and we're gonna get to changing the oil. I appreciate y'all rocking with your boy. You know what it is. One shot, Deadshot.
DudeMungus. Thank you for watching, dudes. DudeMungus.